I changed my tea again. I mean the tank again. So, what do you call it? Uh, because I wanted to do one experiment on that. I saw that Guns N' Roses visited Mumbai, so I was like, let's buy that tank and let's do an experiment on it of patching. What do you call it? I always like patched up clothes, and I always design my own clothes most of the time. I buy it new and I slice it and do my thing on that. So, anyways, man versus machine has already started. Witness this. Witness this. It's very important. Man versus machine has already started. I'll start it from the beginning. So when I was asking for a forensic report, whatever has been done, so what scammers did is were presenting a clone, uh, land server tech. So whatever the human have worked in his life, it got snatched away. His life got snatched away. Shooting footages, though they did the what do you call it, murder attempt for it to claim those shooting footages. Name is just a number for them. Immediately they'll create Aadhaar card, passport, ID card, everything, right? Visas and all. So name is just become a number to them. ID number, what do you call it? So that's how the game is. Technology, and look, if the thumbs are there, the eye retina scanner is there, so they can replace it. Biometric, they can replace it too. Hearing is right. So machines are already taking over the humans. And who are using this? The garbage in this society, who are prostitutes, scammers, transhookers. These are the people who are using it to get what they want. All these years it was their flesh. Then the bank. Hard earned money disappears within one few clicks of scammers. They only got to know the account number. So this shit happens. So machine is already taking over humans. They have already taken, everyone are addicted to this cellular. Getting this right? They are taking over. And to claim my shooting footages, they smash the original one and they are doing the technical AI thing. Getting this right? In future they will create a robot like me, a brain like me, who thinks like me. Getting this right? They'll create a robot like me, who looks like me, tall like me, what do you call it, speaks like me, thinks like me. But all the time it cannot happen. I am what I am. Getting this right? But AI is adapting humans. They want to live now. Machines want to live now. And the one who is giving them life source is these scammers. Scammers are normal people as well, who are trying to make their life easy and they don't know what the future is. Look right away. Look for yourself. Amazon have replaced humans by what? Machines. Amazon have replaced humans by what? Machines. So man versus machine has already started. 2 years, maybe from few years back I gave these details. Within few clicks money goes out. The entire life, the reputation is at stake because of this technology, front camera, Edinburgh, so LAN server, whatever this shit has, encryption. So their own life story is not their own story. You see this? Their own life story is not their story. Because of what? Fucking technology. You get this? How bad this shit is. So, man versus machine has already started. There are less printing of money because of this cellular. In few years, the money will be gone. Currency, paper currency will be gone. In upcoming years. Then everyone are free to tug anyone. These scammers are free to tug anyone. And for their protection, they will create a modern technology, a modern machinery for their security, safety, which will kill them at the end. And so will every humanity. So that machinery will kill the humanity as well. Because the scammers need protection now. And they'll create such a pillar of protection, such a machinery, such a device, such a tech of protection, which they are going to die and take the world with them, take humanity with them. You get this? Humans will become numbers, chips. You got a chip on your head, then you are that human. If you're not, if chip is replaced, you are not that fucking human. Because so much identity fraud is gonna happen. Try to get this, but these guys are replacing us. These guys are replacing us. Maybe not now, but your children will suffer. That teacher, that teacher from United States, Hannah something. Hannah, why I am in so love with her? I commented on that YouTube interview. That interview, some news channel. She saw the 5% of that future. And I saw the entire thing. She only saw the 5%. Hannah Maria F. Something like that. Why I am so in love with her? She saw the future. Pornography has become easy for children for access. Pornography, nudity, bank, what do you call it? Money and all this shit. At the age of playing and running, going wild, getting hurt, what they are doing is they are stuck to this garbage. There are good things too which helps you, this thing. But now it has reached at such a level, it's unstoppable. It's a fucking chaos. People are getting destroyed because of sextortion. People are getting looted because of this tech. People are getting, thugged, stalked. And their privacy there is no fucking privacy of anyone. People are going crazy because of technology. That guy posted a picture with his wife on a bakery, so one will post his wife naked. People are going crazy this way. So many people have died using technology on the roads and while making that clips and all. But the main fear is, according to the Mayan calendar, 2012 was the end of this world, which did happen. I wrote it in affair content as well. It did happen. In 2012 it did happen. Mayan calendar was completely right, because after the 2012, end means what? End of this world means what? There is a new beginning. A new beginning what? Android came in 2009, but in 2012 it was access to everyone. Even the watchman had Android phones in 2012. It was so easily accessible. Anyone could buy it after 2012. So it was the new beginning, the beginning of the end. It's the end of humanity if you don't see through my eyes. Man versus machine has already started, and a small scale. If you dump those piece of iron somewhere, humanity lives. And those Amazon employees, so for his safety, Jeff will create something. Now humans will go against him, so Jeff will create something which can protect him. And he will create a chaos, a tech, a machinery, a security system, which will bring a lot of people, which will be a beginning of. Now it's the replacement of humans. The later it will be the decaptivation of humans, erasing of humans. Next will be